Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by verifying power delivery and simple hardware cues so you don't chase software fixes needlessly. First, plug a known good charger, preferably the original or a 45W plus USB-C unit, and watch the LED. Once done, disconnect all USB devices and external displays. Then hold the power button for 10-15 seconds to force a hard shutdown. You do this because residual charge, or a hung controller, often blocks startup, and eliminating peripherals rules out external power draws or short circuits. Next, address firmware and power controller issues that commonly stop a Chromebook from turning on. If you can reach the recovery screen, create a recovery USB and attempt a reinstall. This fixes corrupted OS partitions. For hardware-level resets, press refresh plus power to restart the embedded controller. This clears transient faults. If your model has a recovery pin or removable battery, press that for 10 seconds or disconnect the battery briefly. You do these steps because the EC and firmware manage boot power, and resetting them often restores normal behavior. Finally, reassemble anything you opened, plug the charger into a reliable outlet, and wait 5 to 10 minutes. Some Chromebooks need a brief charge before the power LED or screen initializes. Make sure to test a different charger, and if available, an external monitor to rule out display failure. If it still won't power, record exact behavior, LED, sounds, blink codes, and contact support or a repair shop. One key troubleshooting tip: ask them for the EC or firmware log, because that reveals why the unit refused to power.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.